Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to turn off Android phone sensors. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is open up your settings app on your phone, and then in the search bar type in build number and then click into build number, and then where it says build number, tap on it 5 to 10 times until it says developer mode enabled. Once that is done, head back to settings and then scroll all the way down the bottom, and then it will have developer options enabled. So click into that, and then in developer options search for quick, and then where it says quick settings developer tiles, click into that, and then the bottom of your screen it will say quick settings developer tiles, click into that again, and there you go, where it says sensors off halfway down your page, enable that, and now that's how you turn off your Android phone sensors, guys. Alright, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.